Can you get up in your chair? Get up. Up. You're a good boy. That's a good boy. Handsome boy. You're a handsome boy. I love you. It is so peaceful and quiet up here. We are just outside the Grand Canyon. Biscuit and I drove up here today. It was so nice to get out of Phoenix, as always. I'm officially on my winter break for the next 2.5 weeks. And I'm very excited to be up here with this heat wave we're having right now. Camping up here in December, where we're at is about 7,000 feet elevation. It's beautiful. I'm wearing short sleeves, and I just checked, and it said the high was 64, which is different from what my phone is telling me, but I'm going off my own digital thermometer. Yeah, it's gorgeous, quiet. Nice to be back up in the pines for a little bit. Once winter truly gets here, we'll have to wait. I don't know, I might try to do a midwinter snow camping adventure, see how that goes. I don't have an electric blanket. I don't really want one. And I don't have a heater. I don't think I need one in my small space inside my Honda Fit. With my insulated window covers in and my feather down blanket and my warm puppy, I think I'll be fine. On the weather app, it said that it's dipping down into the low 30s, upper 20s up here at night. So we'll see how we deal with the cold. There was snow on the way up here. Once we went through Flagstaff, we got up to about 8,000 feet elevation, and there was patches of snow on the ground. There is no snow up here. Yeah, it's gorgeous, very warm. I'm enjoying my lunch. I made a quesadilla, cheese quesadilla, and I had a little chicken taco salad. My daughter, Rachel, also known as River, is in Colorado with her girlfriend right now, and she's gonna meet me up here and camp with me for a couple nights. One of the reasons why I got up here a day early and secured a spot for us. I'm really looking forward to camping with my daughter and seeing her, and I think we'll have a beautiful time. I'm gonna go back to listening to the wind rustling through the pine needles and the trees and enjoy the quiet. Some type of bone, maybe vertebrae. I'm not sure. Elk poop? It's big, whatever it is. What'd you find, Biscuit? Oh, buddy, what'd you find? Oh, this tree is amazing. Hello, gorgeous big tree. You've been here for a while. Wow. I remember being a kid, coming up to northern Arizona and falling in love with these little grass things, like little sickle hook. Can't get close up because it's quite windy. But I think they're so pretty. The shape of them on the end. I remember picking a handful of them and taking them back home and putting them in a little vase in my bedroom. They're so pretty. Oh, here's another gorgeous tree. Oh man. Oh, this tree is just gorgeous. Oh wow. All right, y'all. I think that's an elk leg and hoof. Gross. Apparently the hoofers are here. Makes me sad. But that's some good meat for eating, that's for sure. Elk jerky's great, so are elk burgers. I've never had elk steak. This is actually a nice little place to pull in. But for me, I need solar to charge my power station, so this would be too much shade. But this is cute. It's got its own little fireplace. I am right over there, not too far. Damn, I found the other leg. God, you know what? If you're hunting elk and butchering it for meat, clean up and, remove all the body parts when you go. Don't leave shit behind. Really? Okay, here is another one. And here is another one. Here is another one. Yeah, not cool. Definitely not cool.